Welcome back to a brand new episode of Mastering Programming. In today's episode, I'll be showing you how you can hire me and other people in my team as professional app developers. The first thing you need to do is simply head to www.tapaway.com.au. You will then be presented with our main page on our website, and here you'll be able to click on Shop Now, where you can view our store and our products. You can either contact us for simple inquiries, or you can click on Custom Solutions to introduce an idea to us, and we can help you bring that idea back to life. Now, the first thing you need to do is simply scroll down or use the button. I will simply scroll down so you can view the rest of the website, and here you'll be able to see what we do, our vision, our technology, and simply learn more about us. Here you also see the communication stage and the steps being done in order to bring your idea to life. As you can see, it's very detailed and very descriptive on what you need to do, which is not a lot. Last thing, which is tell us about your business. And this is the most crucial part of communicating with us and actually being able to hire us. Here you need to insert your details such as your first and last name, your email address, your current situation, for example, whether you're a startup business, an existing business, or just thinking and no progress yet. You're also able to simply click on other, and you will not need to actually select any of the three above. After that, you need to select and describe your current business or idea. Here you need to insert as many detail and as much detail as you can in order to give us a very detailed and descriptive understanding of your business. This will allow us to judge your business and will allow us to clear up any assumptions and actually be able to reply with a very detailed time estimation and budget on what we need and how long it will take us to complete your project. Of course, if you have a website, please do insert it in the field below so we can understand more and learn more about your business. Finally, it's your budget. Here you need to select your budget, whether it's 0 to 5,000, 5,000 to 15,000, 15,000 or more. Please understand that none of these fields actually affect how much we're going to charge you. This is just so that we can understand what you think your project is worth. However, this does not mean that we will be charging you anything between that range if you do select it. The last thing you need to do is simply click on submit, and within 24 hours, someone's going to be in communication with you and they will let you know exactly how we're going to start off your project, and we'll even suggest more ideas that we think might help the business. If you also simply want to communicate with us and maybe ask us a simple question, you can continue scrolling down and you can either email us on this email, give us a call, or simply submit this contact or this communication form where we can simply respond to this inquiry directly to the email that you insert in this field. Without further ado, we'd like to say thank you so much, and we are very excited to hear more from you and help you bring your idea come to life. Thank you.